All right, welcome back, everyone. On the previous video, we were talking about how to create profiles and reservations. We created one for Jennifer Lopez. On this video, which is part 3 of the tutorial, we're going to show you how it is when you check in the guest. So this is in the arrival stage, the stage where the guest is physically coming to the hotel, and assuming that you are the front desk agent standing behind the counter, how are you going to check in the guest using the system? So here's how we're going to show you that, assuming it's Jennifer Lopez checking in. So as you can see, you go into the front desk arrivals. In the arrivals, you'll notice here, it'll ask you to put the name. We always put the last name for the name. You don't put the first name here. People get confused on that many times. Always put last name first. You pull out the reservation here, and on this stage, you'll be communicating with the guest and asking them for their documents, their any kind of proof of ID to ensure that this is the correct guests, because you can't just obviously check in anyone that calls themselves Jennifer Lopez. So let's keep going here. You look at the information, everything looks fine. Now you need to basically do some action. So you click always on the I want to. Here you asks you, what do you want to do? Well, we need to start to assign a room for Miss Jennifer Lopez. In this stage, we can see all of the rooms that are available for that specific room. Now, when we click on the status for all types, whether dirty, clean, inspected, what's showing for that particular room type, which is the superior king, which is the room that she reserved for. So you can see here in the housekeeping maintenance status, the report shows that all of those greens means vacant, it's available. Let's give her a room like room 718, superior king, and you can see all that nice information. In this stage, it's extremely important to take your time to communicate with the guest during the check-in stage and say, would you like to be on a high floor or lower floor, away from the elevator, ocean view, city view. These types of conversations is extremely important to ensure that the guest has a great experience, and all of that information is provided in the system so that you can communicate it with the guest. So once you find the type of room that you're happy with, or the guest is happy with, we select it. And after we select it, we go ahead and let the guest know, and I want to, we click on I want to, check in. And then here, when we click on check in, there's that alert that popped out. So remember in the reservation stage where the previous person, a whole different person that was creating the reservation, put an alert saying contact the front office manager. On the day of the arrival, this is what the alert would look like. It will just pop out randomly during the check-in stage. When you're finalizing the check-in, this pops out. So it's a great feature. So at this stage, you have to basically pick up the phone, contact the FOM, and he or she has to come out to greet the guest. And then here you cancel that. And then you proceed with the check-in process. You get the credit card information, confirm everything with the guest, ensure the details are correct. It says here that we need to charge for the room and amount the daily rate. Here's a registration card. Print out the registration card. Registration card is extremely important. Not all hotels do registration cards, but it's something I believe every hotel should for security purposes. It confirms everything on document that the guest agrees to, and that also for liability purposes, in case anything happens, you have this signature to, protect you. So registration card, and then if everything is good, we go ahead and click on complete check-in. Here we process the credit card, and then voila, you can see that the guest has successfully checked in and he's good to go, or she's good to go, Jennifer Lopez. And there you have it. We're back out, and that's it.